In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to refine your invoicing process, this guide will take you through each step to ensure your invoices are clear, complete, and professional. So, let's get started. To begin creating an invoice, you'll want to navigate to the Sales module. This can easily be found on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books interface. Once you've clicked on Sales, you should then head over to the Invoices section. This is where you can see all your previous invoices and manage new ones. Now that you're in the Invoices section, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you should spot a button labeled Plus New. Clicking on this will initiate the process of creating a new invoice. The first piece of information you need to input is the customer name. It's crucial that you have the correct details for your client, as this ensures your invoice reaches the right person. Following that, move on to the invoice date. This is typically the current date, but you can adjust this if necessary. While not mandatory, you also have the option to specify the invoice number, terms, and even a salesperson, if that's relevant to your situation. Including these details can greatly help with tracking and managing your invoices. Once you've filled out the header information, it's time to dive into item details. Here, you can either select from existing items, or, if you have new items, enter them manually. Make sure to specify the quantity and rate for each item. This section breaks down your invoice further and provides the customer with a detailed look at what they're being billed for. As you wrap up with the item details, glance over the taxes section. If applicable, ensure you've applied the right taxes according to the regulations in your area. Don't forget that adding notes or attachments can also be beneficial, especially if there's additional information your client needs to be aware of. Attachments might include relevant documents like a contract or receipt. Finally, you'll need to decide how you want to proceed with your invoice. If you're still drafting and think you might need to make some changes later, select Save as Draft. This way, you can revisit and finalize it at your convenience. However, if everything looks good and you're ready to send it off to your customer, then go ahead and choose Save and Send. This option will email the invoice directly to the client, making it a swift and efficient way to get paid sooner. And there you have it, a fully detailed guide on creating an invoice in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll ensure your invoices are accurate and professional, helping you maintain a good relationship with your clients. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.